Hi, this is Jamel with Recherche Goldens in beautiful Statesville, North Carolina. I am so excited to introduce for the first time Mr. Black of Melbourne and Ethan's litter. He was born December 4th, so he's just starting training in a puppy training institute, 6 weeks of age. And they really start showing their personality. They start around 3 weeks of age. By this age, we're very confident what his normal and his natural personality is. His Recherche score is 888, 8 being that he is very dependent. He is the most dependent puppy in the litter. Actually, this litter is all very dependent. We had a very hard time telling them apart, but we think he's the most dependent. All of them are dependent though. He loved to be with us. He's the first to come, the last to leave our side, very friendly. He's an 8 out of 10 on activity. He's the most outgoing puppy in the litter. He's not hyper or out of control, but he's definitely more playful than he is calm and laid back, but he definitely has energy. Obviously, as you can see, as I'm playing with him and loving on him, he's very calm, but that's because he's so dependent. He seemed to be the most confident boy in the litter too. He's not fearful, he's not shy. The other thing is that he's the biggest boy. He has the whitest coat, the blockiest head. This isn't going to be a huge litter. Melbourne's actually pretty small. She's only 52 pounds. She's one of our smaller girls. And Ethan's one of our smallest boys at 70 pounds. I do think though he's going to be bigger than his dad. My best guess is he's going to be 70 to 80 pounds. If I had to put a number on, I'd say around that 75-pound mark. But he is the biggest boy in his litter, and he is an absolute stunning boy. Ethan has very strong genetics, which means all of his boy puppies end up looking like him with that huge blocky head, that really thick white mane, the beautiful jowls. Just look at Ethan, look at Amos, his dad, look at his grandfather, look at his great-grandfather. It's almost like they didn't have a mother. They're all clones of each other. And so he's going to look just like him, just maybe a little bit bigger. Now, he's able to go home after graduating either Puppy Academy, which is training till 12 weeks of age, which is February 26th. The second training level is Canine College, our most popular training program, training till 16 weeks of age, which is March 26th. Now, the reason it's the most popular is 3 reasons. One, he'll have all of his shots, so he's fully inoculated. You don't have to quarantine him for the first few weeks. Secondly, his potty training, he'll hold his restroom twice as long at 16 weeks and at 12 weeks. And the biggest reason is obedience commands. They grow the most between the ages of 10 and 16 weeks of age. So puppies at 16 weeks of age many times are up to 3 times better obedience trained than puppies at 12 weeks. The third train level is Master's Program, training till 20 weeks of age, which is April 23rd. And the fourth train level is Doggy Doctorate, training till 6 months of age, which is June 4th. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see pictures of both parents, Melbourne and Ethan. If you click on those pictures, a video will play where we summarize, when we talk about their health clearances, their pedigrees. This is a very healthy litter. We're very excited about this litter. Melbourne was produced by us. Her mother was Sydney, so we kept with the Australian theme. Ethan was produced by us. So these are second, third generation Recherche dogs, which means we kept the best of the best of the best. And so this is a very healthy litter. Now, what I'd like to do is to summarize our Puppy Training Institute. He has just started training, so he doesn't know anything. We can't really show him in training until at least another 3 weeks. But what we'd like to do is show off some of our regular graduates. If you do want to see what these puppies look like and act like at the different training levels, go to our Puppy Training Institute page. There, I go through in detail every program by themselves, and I show puppies that have graduated, normal puppies, so you can see what a 12-week-old, a 16-week-old, a 20-week-old, a 6-month-old, and we even have a program beyond that where you can see that, and you can actually see what these puppies look like and act like. But right now, I'll summarize the program in general, and I'll come back and let you know what you need to do to reserve Mr. Black. Our Puppy Training Institute has 4 core areas. There's a couple areas that are very visible that we're going to show you on camera with the puppy that's for sale. Some of the areas are a little bit more difficult, but the one area that's very visible to show is outside training, and the big part of that is leash training. Puppies love the pull, love the tug, love the cut in front of you, and so we train them to walk on our left side. We train them that when we stop walking, they do what's called an auto sit. That's where they automatically sit without being told, without having any hand signals. They automatically sit. That it builds respect and focus on you. A couple other areas in outside training, it's a little bit harder to show, is car training and then also swim training when the weather's warmer. The second area that's very visible is obedience training. All of our trainers are certified dog trainers that's been training dogs for years. They know what they're doing. They're all certified. They all can do Canine Good Citizen. They're all very good trainers. And we work on the obedience commands of sit, down, stay, come, place, kennel, and they are trained extensively in all these areas. Now, we have 3 different communication tools we use with the puppies. We use hand signals, we use words, and then we use the training lead that we will provide you. And so as they get older, they get better and better. They can hold their stay longer, they can hold their place longer, they can hold their kennel longer. They can do it with both hand signals and words only, and so they get better and better. The place is when they jump up on the Kuranda cot. You will definitely want to buy a Kuranda cot because that allows the transition for our training to go to you. It's a wonderful command. When we say kennel, they go into their kennel on their own volition. We typically keep the door open, especially as they get older. And we train them, they cannot leave the kennel or really any other door until they are released. The 2 other areas that's a little bit more difficult that we're going to show you just generic dogs going through this. The one area is house training. We actually spend more time in house training than all the other areas combined. That's about 2/3 of the training, and this is where we work on the most important area, potty training. Of course, we're training them not to use the restroom inside and the signal eventually to go outside. A puppy at 12 weeks of age can typically hold the restroom about 1 hour during the day, whereas a puppy at 6 months can do 4 hours. The same thing is with crate training. We train them to sleep at night in their crate, eat in their crate, and a 12-week-old can typically sleep around 4 to 5 hours without having to be let out, and a 6-month-old, it's 6 to 10 hours. So obviously the longer they're in training, the longer they can be crate trained. We also, though, while they're in house training, we train them not to jump up on us, not to chew things in the house, not to bite our hands. It's very extensive. And then the last area is socialization training. Many people worry about getting a trained or older puppy is that they won't bond. Well, because of our socialization program, our puppies bond very quickly. In fact, we've never had a client complain about that. And so in our socialization, we're training them not to be afraid of thunderstorms. We're training them not to be afraid of the hair dryer, of the blow dryer, of a vacuum cleaner. We have a TV in our puppy training area, in our house training area, where we're socializing them. They go on field trips when they get older. We work extensively on them being handled. We have 20+ people that work for us, so these puppies are handled by multiple people and they're socialized extensively. That is our Puppy Training Institute. Now, if you're interested in Mr. Black, read through this entire page. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see the pictures we just took of him. Right above his most recent pictures are the prices for each of the training levels. Now, some people have a hard time finding the prices, so on this video, we're going to show you where the prices are found on a typical page. But the prices you see in this video are not necessarily his prices. To find his prices, you do need to look at his page right above his pictures. And then right below this video is a link. It says, click here to fill out puppy application. Click on the words puppy application, fill it out. We will respond to you within 24 hours. Thank you so much for taking time to visit Mr. Black of Melbourne and Ethan's Litter. Thank you so much, and God bless.